ನಾವೇನೇನು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಗಾನಿಂದ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಿ ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಗಾನ್. ಟಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಗಾನ್ ಅಂತ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಗಾನ್. ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಗಾನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 6 ವರ್ಟೈಸಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್, ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡ್ರಾ 3 diagonals joining one vertices to another vertices. Let us write 1 in the middle and let us start giving the name for each vertices. So tan is equal to sine divided by cos. So ide order le irbek nimge. So tan is equal to sine divided by cos theta ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಈ vertices ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have to give the name cot theta. So this is tangent, opposite to tangent is cotangent. So ಇದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ cosec theta so that right side of the hexagon ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have only the function starting with c. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ 5 ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ sec theta. So that all the trigonometric functions are at the 6 vertices of the hexagon. So ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಗಾನ್ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 20 to 30 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, now let us start from the next slide. Let me draw hexagon. It has 6 vertices. Give the name. Before that, draw the 3 diagonals and give 1 at the middle, and tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. Opposite to tan is cotangent, and here cosec theta, and here it is sec theta. Okay, now let us move from clockwise direction from tan theta. So now what is tan theta? So tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. So we can write tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. Next, one more formula you will get. Sine theta is equal to cos theta divided by cot theta. If you move in clockwise direction, see, sine theta is equal to cos theta divided by cot theta. Adhe tara let us move on clockwise direction. 6 formula barutte. Already 2 agide, remaining 4 formula we can write. So next one, in the clockwise direction itself we will go. So cos theta is equal to cot theta divided by cosec theta, adane bardirodu. Next one, cot theta is equal to cosec divided by sec, and next one, cosec is equal to sec divided by tan, and one more last one, sec is equal to tan divided by sin theta. See, just clockwise direction alli hodre saku, you will get 6 different formula. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ನ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 6 more formula. So let me draw the hexagon and 3 diagonal, write 1 in the middle. So tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. Opposite to tan is cot, cosec, sec. Now let us move from tan in the anti-clockwise direction. What is tan theta? So tan theta is equal to sec theta divided by cosec theta. So itara. So in anti-clockwise direction also you will get 6 formula. Next innond tagolona. So here, so what about sin theta? Sin theta is equal to tan theta divided by sec theta in the anti-clockwise direction. Adhe tara some more formula also we can write. Cos theta is equal to sine theta divided by tan theta. 3 formula ಆಯಿತು. 3 more formula you will get in the same pattern. ಇಷ್ಟೇನಾ? No, we will get some more formula from the same simple hexagon. So let me draw the hexagon. Draw the 3 diagonal. Write 1 in the middle. Tan theta is equal to sine divided by cos. Opposite to tan is cot, cosec here and sec here. So this is the diagonal. 3 diagonals are there. Now let me take this diagonal. So sin theta is equal to 1 divided by cosec theta. and next one more diagonal, so cos theta is equal to 1 divided by sec theta, and next one cot theta is equal to 1 divided by tan theta, or you can take the reciprocal also, tan theta is equal to 1 divided by cot theta, that is also true, and sec theta is 1 divided by cos theta, cosec theta is 1 divided by sin theta, so that we will get 6 more formula using the same simple hexagon. Istena? No, we will move to the next one also, so that is a skip. So again the hexagon, 3 diagonals, 1 tan is equal to sin by cos, and cot here, cosec and sec. See here, skip, this one we will use, there is a tan and there is a cos here, and sin we will skip, so that we will get one formula, tan theta into cos theta, that is equal to sin theta, and next cot theta into sin theta, so cot theta into sin theta, that is equal to cos theta, and here one more, sec theta into cot theta, sec theta into cot theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತದ್ದು cosec theta. So likewise 6 more formula you are going to get. So that 24 formula ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತು by using simple hexagon. ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ, again we have to draw the same diagram. So hexagon you have. Now in this diagram I am just moving from sin to cos. Okay, this is horizontal movement from left side to right side. So sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. First of all, complementary angles antandre sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, and those angles are called as complementary angles. Supplementary angles antandre sum of two angles should be equal to 180 degree. So ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. And again here tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, and next one sec is equal to, or sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. See, the reverse is also holds good, that we will see in the next slide. So here the same diagram, but the arrow is in the reverse direction. See, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, and cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta, and cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. Okay, see almost 30 to 40 formula ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಗಾನ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಇದ್ರ ಪವರು? See, some more formulas are going to come. They are most important formula. So let me go to the next slide. Again draw the hexagon, 3 diagonals, 1 in the middle. Tan theta is equal to sin divided by cos, and opposite to tan is cot, and write cosec here, so that all the functions starting with c's are on the right side of the hexagon, and here sec. Here you can see there are 6 triangles. Let me mark some important triangles here, and this is important. Now draw the arrow. So direction of arrow is important to get one important formula. So from this triangle you can see the arrow is starting from top left of the triangle and go in this way. Square of this side plus square of this side is equal to square of this vertices. Okay, so sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, most important formula. And next one, from this triangle 1 square plus cot square is equal to cosec square. See, and next one from this triangle tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. See, these are important identities of trigonometry, everyone must know it. And the same pattern but in the reverse direction, again the same diagram. And here let me consider those 3 triangles itself, but here the arrows are in the reverse direction. See, idu middle in the start ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ and going in this way in the anti-clockwise direction. Here pattern remains same, but the sign will change. So here you see 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. 1 square minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. 1 square is just 1 itself. ಆತರ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 square. 1 square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 itself. And the next one, sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. This is also one more important identity we can remember using simple hexagon.